just got back from Rashtrapati Bhavan, where I witnessed the distribution of the Padma awards by the Honorable President of India. And among the recipients was our very own citizen of our state, Shri Passah. And I take this opportunity to really congratulate her for all the work and the contributions that she has given in the past many years, and also for making all of us proud. And not only her, but all the other recipients who received the award, I would like to congratulate all of them. It was a wonderful moment to see the stories, hear the stories unfold about the different contributions that the individuals have made, some from very, very humble background, and being recognized at the highest level was really in a way a very solemn occasion in the program, and I felt very blessed to be part of it. And it was wonderful to have, as I said, our own Silbi Passah to receive this award. So I once again thank the Government of India. I thank the Honorable President for giving the award, and congratulate Silbi Passah as well as the other recipients of the Padma Awards for making all of us proud. Congratulations, and wish you all the very best.